Hello everybody. Today, in this video, I'm gonna talk about doctors, nurses, and hospitals, and how to improve some of them, maybe. So, anyways, let's start. So, the first thing is about the doctors and the nurses. They need to be perfect when they are working. So, like, no stress, no problems in their mind. Just them and their medical stuff. So that's the first thing. If they are not perfect, they won't be able to do the operations, and they can't like talk. Uh, you know, um, how to say this? Like they won't burst out when having a conversation or something like that. I don't know. It just keeps their mind peaceful and more creative or something like that. So, anyways, so I have my computer in front of me, and I wrote some topics in there so I won't forget about the stuffs I want to talk about. So let's start. And the next thing is work time. So a lot of doctors have a lot of things to work in some days, like a lot of operations to do, and it breaks them physically and mentally. So it's a negative thing for both the patients and the doctors. So maybe like more doctors and more nurses would split their work time, so it'd be easier for all of them, and the reduced work time. Like if there is nothing in there to do, let them be free, like inside the hospital, so they don't have to like go home and then come back when there is emergency. So let them be free, do that stuff. So anyways, and the next thing is pay. So all the doctors and nurses need to be paid by work time. Like usually, definitely doctors pay, they get the more money than nurses, and sometimes doctors like have less work to do, but the most hardest works the nurses do. I'm not saying like give doctors less pay. I'm saying like give nurses more pay, so they get paid for what they work. So not little, give them something more, a little bit more. So that's that. And then now let's get to the hospitals. So operations, like let's say if I'm poor and I broke my, now I have some serious disease or something like that, like coronavirus, and if I go to hospital and they say like give me this much of money, and if I don't have that money, I don't know what I'm gonna do, and they won't be helping me because I don't have any money to give them in return. So to a solution to this is like uh yeah, I forgot. So yeah, like if there is like a really emergency, like a life death situation, keep the operation cost low, or how much can the patient afford, take that money, don't ask for more, or keep the operation free, even is better. Or not on the pregnancy, I believe it's already free. I don't know, maybe it's like life is a new life coming to this world, so maybe reduce a bit if there is a cost. And I want to say about the like hands up to the government hospitals, because they're really trying their hard to keep a low, they service people that are in need, that can go to private hospitals in India. I don't know about your country, hopefully it's the same everywhere. So every government hands out, this is a great thing, and we can still make it greater, and maybe in the future we talk about it. So yeah, just ideas, man. And the next thing is to reduce the operation price by equipment. So a lot of equipments are really expensive, which is why the operations cost a lot. So if the equipments are cheap but good quality, so we can reduce the operations price as well. So it's a good thing. I mean, it's a good idea to do that. We can try that out, and if it works, it works. And the next thing is not like every operations need to be reduced. Some operations like plastic surgery, body modifications, teeth, etc., they can have a big amount of money because it's only optional thing. You don't like it really need it. So there are some exceptions. And well, this minor operations like little operations like broken bones, etc., they can have a low cost or medium cost, etc. And fevers, adverses, etc., they are just like talking. So they can have some maybe medium amount of money, uh, price, I should say. And so yeah, that's about it. And these are my little ideas and suggestions. We can try them, and if it works, voila. And if it doesn't, we just have to come up with a better idea. So yeah, that's about it. Goodbye, guys.